At si attorney po ay talagang nag-sign doon sa kanyang sinumpaang salaysay at ninotaryo po ito. Gutesa,
Yes.
is Gutesa telling you na talagang ginawa niya yun at doon siya talaga nagpunta kay attorney Pichi Rosas Espiras?
Yes, you know, Pinky, the truth is, walang motive si Gutesa na manloko ng notaryo.
Ang tanong ko po, ano po ang magiging motibo ni attorney na siya naman po ang magsinungaling?
Pwede siyang tinakot. Pwede siyang sinabihan na sabihin mo, hindi totoo yan. They should investigate that lawyer. They should investigate what happened.
So, Congressman, basically, kayo po ay naniniwala na si Gutesa ay talagang nagpunta dito kay attorney at pinatutuhanan po yung kanyang affidavit. At si attorney po ay talagang nag-sign doon sa kanyang sinumpaang salaysay at ninotaryo po ito. Gutesa,
Yes.
is Gutesa telling you na talagang ginawa niya yun at doon siya talaga nagpunta kay attorney Pichi Rosas Espiras?
Yes, you know, Pinky, the truth is, walang motive si Gutesa na manloko ng notaryo. Kasi yung sinabi naman niya sa Senate is the same.
Yeah,
There's no motive on the part of Sergeant Gutesa to fake a notarized document because he said it the same. It's not perjurious on his part because it was in good faith. Now, as to the lawyer and to that office, they should investigate. Why is she backtracking now? Why is she saying now that didn't happen, that Gutesa didn't go to their office?
Just going back to what you said, na wala hong, I forgot the exact word you said, walang
No motive, no
walang
motive.
motibo si Gutesa na magsinungaling,
Yes.
hindi ho ba? Ang tanong ko po, ano po ang magiging motibo ni attorney na siya naman po ang magsinungaling?
Pwede siyang tinakot. Pwede siyang sinabihan na sabihin mo, hindi totoo yan. Because, you know, that's the only way they can discredit this person. That's the only way they can, you know, bring down the statements he delivered to the Senate, to the Blue Ribbon Committee. So, which is, sabi nga ng mga lawyers, I've been seeing a lot of comments on social media.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter. I mean, what he said was already there. He went there in good faith. In fact, hindi nga kailangan niya magpa-notarize eh. You know, if he verbalized what he said in the Senate, that would have been enough legal evidence and enough weight to be part of a court proceeding. So, yeah, Pinky, thank you for that. And I think yun din ang worry ko na itong abogado medyo pinressure kasi why? Why would you now deny that you notarized a statement? It doesn't make sense.
Any idea, sir, if indeed the attorney, as you claim, was pressured, who would pressure her?
People who were mentioned, I would think. People who would be affected, I would think. I checked the background of the lawyer, and I believe that she currently works in the Bureau of Jail, the Penology and Penology. So I'm not sure. I don't want to cast aspersions on the lawyer, but yes, I think it should be investigated by the Blue Ribbon Committee.
One last question, sir. Is there anyone else? Have you spoken to anyone else that is willing to corroborate the statement of Sergeant Gutesa?
You know, I did not talk to Sergeant Gutesa, and I don't even know the group, the 90+ ex-Marines or the police currently. But there are messages to me by some former military officers, some friends, who are telling me, yeah, they heard that some people will be coming out.